हाय गाइस, तो आज हम एक बहुत ही सेंसिटिव टॉपिक पे बात करने वाले हैं। सेंसिटिव इसलिए क्योंकि हाफ ऑफ आवर कंट्रीज पॉपुलेशन सपोर्ट इट whereas half of us don't. The quota system in education. Throughout the year, I found many complaining about it, whereas some of us believing it to be a blessing. दोनों पार्टी के ओपिनियन काफी हद तक जस्टिफाइड है. So how did it all start? It was the year 1882 जब William Hunter proposed the idea of caste-based reservation in India. But only in 1933 it came into existence by British Prime Minister Ramsay MacDonald. Further modifications were done by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar and Mahatma Gandhi, who thought that the British system was designed only to help the Britishers and not the common Indians, which led to the formation of the Pune Act and the modern-day caste system as we know it, which was of course needed at that point of time in history where minorities were suppressed. पर अगर आज हम इस मॉडर्न टाइम की बात करें तो काफ़ी कुछ चेंज हो चुका है एंड मैनी पीपल अमंग अस इस सिस्टम से खुश नहीं है, स्पेशली इन द एजुकेशन सेक्शन. ये इसलिए है क्योंकि अगर आप कोई भी एक स्टैंडर्ड एग्जामिनेशन एंट्रेंस उठा के देख लो तो वहाँ आपको एक क्लियर कट व्यू दिख जाएगा कि हाउ द कोटा सिस्टम ट्रीट्स यू डिफरेंटली, जहाँ कट ऑफ्स, रिजर्वेशंस एंड फीस वेरीज डिपेंडिंग ऑन योर स्टेटस को एंड नॉट योर फाइनेंशियल कंडीशन एंड मेरिट. जहाँ ए स्टूडेंट स्कोरिंग 50% विद गुड इकोनॉमिक बैकग्राउंड gets in and enjoys the government quota privileges, while a student with 90% struggles as his status requires him to either be rich or to score even higher percentile. This creates a problem in our society where the talented and hard-working students are ignored. Jaha, for the same reason, many communities are fighting for new reservations as they feel that their children are being left behind. अगर ऐसे ही चलते रहा तो we'll lose some of the most talented and amazing students out there. And most of these communities will still keep fighting. You know, IIMs are among the first who initiated and advertised inviting applications for their doctoral programs and mentioned no provision for reservations of seats. यहाँ तक recently all the 20 IIMs jointly have requested the HRD minister to exempt them from all the reservations policies in the teaching staff. IIM ने jointly ये clear करने की कोशिश की कि they wanted to give equal opportunity to each and everyone applying for the post, irrespective of their status. देखा जाए तो ये स्टेप बहुत ही नेसेसरी था क्योंकि a student can only excel under a great teacher and a teacher's qualification and knowledge cannot be compared to his or her status quo. Government has taken a great initiative by introducing the new education policy and should now even look at this system. Students should be given admission based on their performance and merits. Reservations for the needy. Government should create a way to check and reserve seats based solely on the economic condition of the student and not his or her status quo. A community form होनी चाहिए whose sole purpose is to check on how fairly the reservations are given. I hope आपको ये content पसंद आया होगा. Thanks for watching.